So we get asked quite frequently how to replace the battery in your key fobs. So today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the battery in your Highlander and your new Camry. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to change the battery in your Highlander. The first step is to pop your spare key out. So you'll have a little tab right here with an arrow. You'll push it over and you'll pull out the spare key. Nestled right in between where the spare key goes, there is a little slit. You will take your spare key and nestle it right in there, and you will twist and it will pop the key open and you will see your battery. All right, so to get the actual battery out, you're going to use a flathead screwdriver or anything that is thin you can pry with. So gently put it underneath there and pry up. You'll see it come out, and there is your battery. To replace the battery, you're going to take your new battery, make sure it is positive side up. There's a positive sign on the battery, make sure it is up. You're going to push it right into the side of these clips and press down. And so now that your battery is replaced, we're going to put the front plate back on. Make sure it clips in on every single side. And then you're going to put your spare key right back in. The battery is now replaced for your Highlander. To replace the battery in your Camry, there will be a little hole on the side of the key. You'll take a flathead screwdriver, gently pry up on it, and it will pop off. And so once you get the back plate off, you'll have a rubber guard. You will take that off. You'll see a little hole gap in between the battery. You will gently pop up, battery will come out. Okay, for your new battery, make sure the positive side is always up. You're going to gently press it into the key, and then we're going to put the rubber guard back on, and then the plate will go on top. The plate should just make sure it's clicked in on every side, and there you have it. That is how you replace your battery for your key fob for a Toyota Camry.